Today this is about the third ASG Combat Mission Series, and what it is the entire ASG Cebu team was divided into two separate factions to mimic the war during the Pacific time, or something like Tom Hanks' TV series called The Pacific. So we're now divided into two teams, which is the Japanese occupation forces and the American Marines that are about to invade the Guadalcanal. So right now, the game site would be at the Budlaan riverbed, which is an awesome, great game site of ASG. And I'm here with the Spartan company, my team, and we're looking to act as the Marines to invade the Blackjacks, which is the other ASG team, also portraying the Japanese forces. So here you see the entire Spartan company, led by our flag banners, right here with our colors, and the entire convoy on the way to the game site today.
Spartans, they're the famous Greek warriors.
Oh yeah.
Sniper.
One bullet, one kill.
Yeah, and we're gonna hit some guys with these.
Will it be painful?
Kinda.
I'm inserting the battery. It's all set.
Could this kill somebody?
No, just hurt somebody.
Hurt.
My idol right there. He's got the gun.
Safe? Well, the ASG motto is, you can't take the pain, just don't play the game. So I guess that would sum up everything for you. We got the Starog rifle over here by Mr. Mighty Castillo. Alright, try it.
Alright.
This kind of rifle fires at a velocity of over 500 feet per second. And actually that's banned in most countries because it's already considered an assault weapon if it travels faster than 350 feet per second. We're not custom made, but we can upgrade the internal parts of the airsoft guns to make it stronger and more powerful. So with ASG, there's actually no limit to the amount of upgrades we do. It's just up to you, but there's also a certain responsibility that you know, by the end of the day, it's all for fun.
Yeah, this is Koksai ER15, and this is GEC, the ER15 but converted by AJS, all gas system.
He'll give you a short burst just to show you the firepower of the gas gun.
The scenario right now, because we're in the Japanese side and the Spartan teams is in the US side. So we're now right here in the jungle, as you can see. We're going to defend our camps from the attacking forces.
Let's rock and roll.
Usa ninyo ibilin para ma-secure ninyo ang A. Unya ang mo-retrieve na isang marauder squad, ha, or ang penetrator squad. Okay? Penetrator squad, kuyog ta, penetrator squad. Yeah, marauder squad, hang back ta 15 meters. Una ang CO2 ug magdalo. Kay bawo na mo sinyong flanking, ha. Okay, okay.
Father God, we're gathered here together today as Spartans to play against the opposing team, Blackjack. May you interfere with us, with your guidance, keep us safe, and make this game successful in favor to our group. And may you keep everybody safe, and may you enlighten us, keep us in your safety, and send us your mighty angels.
Alright? Spartans, di lang sagit, ha? Di lang sagit. Hindi lang. Okay? Spartans.
Agad sabay ka player magbangon balik eh. At kayo. Pabayok.